If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To duplicate an estimate in QuickBooks Online Plus, open the Saved Estimate to Copy in the Estimate window. Then click the More button in the toolbar at the bottom of the window. Then select the Copy command in the pop-up menu that appears to open the copy within the Estimate window. Notice the text at the top of the page that states, "This is a copy." Revise this copy of the estimate as needed. Then click one of the Save buttons in the toolbar at the bottom of the window to save the new estimate. The new estimate is assigned the next estimate number and is also added to the customer's transaction list. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.